greater connection, greater intimacy, so that you can really up-level the quality of relationships in your life. Welcome to February and the month of love. Hi, it's Stacey Berger here with Mastering Your Mindset as a life and transformational coach. I am passionate about you living a life that you love. Today and this month, we're going to spend some time on building our relationships. When we look at the 4 different quadrants in our life, we have our health, our relationships, our career or creative expression, and then the time and money freedom that we have in our lives. And I believe that one of the most important quadrants is our relationships, because we're all in relationship. No matter what your relationship status is, if you're single, if you're married, if you're divorced or widowed, we all have relationships with our friends, with our family, with our communities. When we get to the end of our life, it's not our stockbrokers that we're calling or looking at how much money's in the bank. It's really wanting to spend time with the people that we love, those human connections. And so that's why I wanted to pour a little bit more energy and spend some time in this month on the relationships in your life. What I'm going to invite you into today is, no matter if you're single and maybe you're trying to call in that relationship in your life, or maybe you already have a partner and you would like to deepen that relationship. Maybe some of those relationships in your life have gone on autopilot and you're ready to really deepen the intimacy, deepen the connection so that you can have greater joy in your life. One of the exercises and the activities that I found to be very helpful for clients that I've worked with who are trying to either call in that relationship in their life or deepen an existing relationship is this. Take out a piece of paper and write down the top 50 qualities that are important to you in a partner in a relationship. So this might be things like you want somebody who's kind. Maybe it's around what their spiritual beliefs are. Maybe you're looking for somebody who's spontaneous or who loves to laugh. Maybe it's their financial independence. So taking some time and writing down, what are those 50 qualities? Usually we can come up with the first 10, maybe 15 or 20 pretty easily, but then it starts to stretch that imagination. But don't stop till you get to 50. And once you have your list of 50, pick what those top 5 qualities are. Which ones are the most important to you as you're trying to deepen the relationship in your life or you're calling in that partner? What I'm going to invite you to do is to do a little bit of introspection and look at those top 5 qualities and ask yourself, how am I showing up here? If I want somebody who's spontaneous, where's the spontaneity in my life right now? If I'm looking for somebody who loves adventure and fun and travel, when was the last time you went on a trip? If you're looking for somebody who's a great communicator, where in your life could you be a better communicator? There's a great saying in the personal development world that we don't attract what we want, we attract who we are. What happens as you start to live into those qualities that are important to you, you're now operating at that vibration, operating at that frequency so that you can call in that person who also embodies those same qualities, those same values. And so instead of looking for it always outside, the question is, how am I showing up here? Where can I turn up the volume, turn up my ability to live into these qualities? And by doing that, watch those relationships in your life start to deepen. Watch people and new people and opportunities start to come into your life. So take some time. What are those top qualities? And I would love to hear from you. What are some of those top qualities that you're looking for in a partner? Comment below what's most important to you. How can you embody that quality more in your life? These videos and this channel are designed because I want you to live a life you love, and I know it's absolutely possible.